Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. My name is Rich. If you're a subscriber to the channel, you know we take a different approach to producing fun and informative DIY videos. This video is no exception. We replace the under-sink garbage disposal. And as we do, we did lots of homework, meaning there is a ton of content on YouTube covering this topic. Some good and lots that are really bad. This video illustrates the simple three-step process to replace. But before we get started, let's review the things they don't tell you. First, different people and manufacturers call this thing by a different name, like disposer. Whatever. It grinds up food waste through the sink drain. Second, not all garbage disposals are the same. Mainly, there's power differences. They speak to size and capacity and how it connects to the sink. Some also come with a power cord, and some you'll need to add the power cord. And this is kind of funny. There is a tool that helps with DeInstall of the old and the install with the new. I don't believe it's a absolutely necessary tool, but it helps. Some refer to it as a wrenchette. Wait. What? What did you just call me? It's a freaking tool that helps twist the mounting bracket on or off the sink bracket. Wrenchette. Really? Some videos on this topic state that you can complete the replacement in 15 minutes. These types of statements drive us nuts at the Suburbanstead. Yes, this is a simple DIY job, but don't set yourself up for disappointment as to the duration of the job. Take a deep breath and move at your own pace. The simplest replacement process is when the existing sink mounting assembly is still in good shape, meaning it doesn't need to be replaced, and the new unit is compatible with that existing mounting assembly, and that was the case for us at the Suburbanstead. Lastly, typically the under-sink unit plugs into a dedicated receptacle which is turned on and off by a switch. Make sure you note which receptacle is the appropriate one to plug it into. Okay, let's jump into it. Ours was a simple three-step process: preparation, deinstalling the old, and installing the new. Here's our scenario. Our garbage disposal died. The existing sink mounting assembly was in good shape and didn't need to be replaced. We acquired the replacement unit, and then we prepared everything and then we got into it. Of the three-step process, step number one is probably, I would argue, the most important, and that's preparation. We are absolutely amazed at the sheer amount of YouTube DIY videos where the creator does not prepare their area at all. I'm talking that there is stuff in the way, the lighting is miserable, their tools are far away, there's no buckets or towels or rags, and nothing to help them with their comfort or ease when they're in an awkward position to deinstall and reinstall the new. Remember, this is an under-sink unit, so clear your area, clean the area, ensure you've got good lighting, gather up your tools. In other words, help yourself, get organized, clear and prep your area first. Step 2. Deinstall the old. This list assumes you've unplugged and noted the receptacle. Important to remember that the unit is heavy. If possible, support the bottom of the unit so you're not surprised when it drops fast and hard. Go in this order. Remove the dishwasher pipe first, then remove the drain pipe, then remove the unit. Okay, you're ready for install. Step 3. Like the deinstall, remember that the unit is heavy. Support it if you can, have someone help if possible. You go in the backwards order of deinstallation on step 2, meaning you install it first, then you align it, attach the drain pipe, then you attach the dishwasher pipe. Once you've installed the new one, you first run a test. Just run the water to check for leaks before you plug in the new unit. When everything looks good there, plug it in, remember the receptacle, and then have the water running when you actually turn on the switch and test the new unit. Ready?
Yep.
Your hand's out of there?
Oh, my hand's not in there. Sounds good.
And it's draining, right?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
It's back.
Fucking done. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel and doesn't cost you anything. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to click the subscribe button so I can see you on the next episode. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.